This is one part with respect to safety of the website. The website has to have yet another important feature, that is the search engine optimization. For example, if I am to put the name of Apple computers, then in that case, if I am going to get the information about a crate of apples, it would mean that the search engine optimization isn't working effectively. Search engine optimization helps us to search the website in less than 3 seconds. Search engine optimization plays an important role basically because today there are more than 200 crore websites. Finding out our website really plays a very important role. If the search time is going to be more than 5 seconds, it is found out that the client does not wait for the website to open, and therefore search engine optimization really makes a very big impact. Our search engine optimization should be very good. Secondly, the quality of traffic that is to come, that is termed as the organic traffic. The organic traffic needs to be a good organic traffic. It would mean that genuinely interested people who wish to visit the website should come to us. We often find a inorganic kind of traffic or a fake traffic being created with the help of some kind of charges. We often find that certain kind of links are provided, and by these links you go to that particular website, but such a traffic should be avoided. We also need to see that the quantity of traffic that comes should be good, and therefore organic results play a very important role. When you put ads, you may get more number of clients, but then that traffic is not an organic traffic. This is the another feature that we need to look into it. The yet another feature which is related to SEO happens to be the page load time. The pages of the website should get loaded at the earliest, that is within less than 3 seconds or so. When we look into these aspects, we are able to see that having a good page load time, having a good website helps us to see to it that the clients keep on coming to us. Now, when we actually look into the website, we are able to see that though our website has all the basic features, the website today needs a few more features. One is that the website needs to be a dynamic website. We find two types of websites. The standard old type of websites are static websites. The dynamic websites are able to upload the content. We are able to upload the content regularly on a regular basis. So whatever events are taking place in the organization or are going to take place in the organization, they can be uploaded. Notices can be uploaded, and a variety of other data can be uploaded. There is one more important feature that a website now needs to have. Besides having all the information that we are making a mention of, there is one aspect that the data should not have any kind of copied material. If a data has a copied material from some other website, not only we lose our repute, also Google can fine us, which is called as the Google Panda, and it costs us very dearly. When we are looking at the website, the important aspect that a website, besides having all the features, is that the website now works more than a website. For example, the website can help us in admission process. The website can help the student in finding a book, though he is at his home, or for registering a book in the library. The website can also be useful to see to it that the alumni registers. The website is also useful in flashing out the special pages that may be created for the alumni so that they are able to see the current developments of the organization. The website can also be useful in conducting a variety of surveys. The website can be very useful in conducting out a variety of features such as feedback mechanisms. Now, this makes the website different. As an authority, it is our responsibility to see to it that we get all these features on the websites. For the reason, website can be accessed very easily. Number two, all the variety of data that we want can be provided by our client, that is our students, even when they are at home. A variety of surveys that we wish to do, the links can be sent and they can fill it up. Its analysis can be done. There are many colleges where you are able to see that the website is linked to the management softwares, which we call it as ERPs, which takes care of the organization. So linking up of the websites to the ERPs makes the working of the organization much more better, and therefore website is a very important management tool to see to it that the governance takes place in the right way. Thank you very much for this session.